Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding out if AI can really replace Google search forever. The rise of artificial intelligence has been transforming the way we live and work, and one of the most significant disruptors in this space is the traditional search engine landscape, particularly Google. For decades, Google has been the go-to platform for finding information online, but with AI advancing at an unprecedented rate, it's natural to wonder if the search giant's reign is about to come to an end. See, traditional search engines like Google have been doing a decent job of providing relevant results to our queries, but they have some inherent limitations. One of the biggest challenges they face is the complexity of human language. Despite being incredibly sophisticated, Google's algorithms still struggle to understand the nuances of human intent, often leading to irrelevant results or a sea of misinformation. Another limitation is the sheer scale of data being generated every day. With the exponential growth of the internet, the amount of data being created is becoming increasingly difficult to index and process, leading to slower search speeds and reduced accuracy. Furthermore, the traditional search engine model relies heavily on keywords and ranking systems, which can be easily manipulated by savvy marketers and SEO experts. This has led to a proliferation of low-quality content and clickbait headlines that prioritize traffic over substance. Additionally, the rise of voice assistants and conversational AI has changed the way we interact with search engines, making traditional search interfaces seem clunky and outdated. In recent years, we've seen a proliferation of AI-powered alternatives that are addressing these limitations head-on. For instance, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are using natural language processing to understand user intent and provide more accurate results. Meanwhile, blockchain-based search engines are utilizing decentralized networks to incentivize high-quality content creation and reward users for contributing to the network. One of the most promising AI technologies in this space is cognitive search, which uses machine learning to understand the context and intent behind a search query. This allows for more accurate and personalized results, as well as the ability to ask follow-up questions and engage in conversations with the search engine. Another technology gaining traction is neural search, which uses neural networks to index and retrieve information in a more efficient and scalable way. There are already signs that AI-powered search engines are gaining traction with users. For instance, AI-driven search platforms like Neeva and U.com are offering ad-free search experiences and prioritizing user privacy. Meanwhile, conversational AI platforms like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming increasingly popular for voice-based searches. In fact, a recent survey found that over 70% of users prefer conversational AI over traditional search engines for tasks like booking flights or making restaurant reservations. Furthermore, AI-powered search engines are already demonstrating superior accuracy and relevance in certain domains such as medical and scientific research. The evidence suggests that AI is not just a complementary technology to traditional search engines, but a paradigm-shifting force that could fundamentally change the way we interact with information online. And with the pace of innovation in AI accelerating every year, it's hard to argue that Google search won't be disrupted in some significant way. So, what does the future hold for Google search and the traditional search engine landscape? One thing is certain: AI is going to play a major role in shaping the future of information retrieval. Whether it's AI-powered search engines, conversational AI, or entirely new interfaces, the game is definitely afoot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on the future of search in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more topics around AI and technology, be sure to check out my other videos.